So here go to browser and then you can type here ANYDESK and then enter. So go to download ANYDESK and click on download here. Okay, and then once you download here, you will get the ANYDESK ESC file in your download folder. Okay, just wait for a few seconds. So here it is downloading this file. And then just click in this arrow and the show folder. This file is downloaded. It is in the PC download folder. In this download, you can see this. You double click here, okay, and then run this setup. So when you run this, you will get this screen particularly, and this number you have to share with me, and then click on connect so that your screen will be connected with my PC so that I can see further what I have to do. Thank you.